Namaskar. I am Dr Madhusudan Singh Solanki, Senior Consultant Psychiatrist. As we all know, work from home has become a reality, or rather a norm, for most of the people during the recent COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. And probably it will remain like this for some time to come. Most people soon realized that work from home is actually more stressful than they thought because it almost became working from home all the time. The idea that once you're out of your office remains in your office and you can detach and you can spend time with your family went out of the window once office became home and home became office. As a result, stress starts building up. Your sleep cycle goes haywire. You start feeling bad as despite being at home, you can't spend time with your family. You start feeling irritable, frustrated, amotivated, and exhausted. If not checked in time, all this can result in a lot of harmful consequences on your mental health and can even push you into frank depression, anxiety, insomnia with long-term consequences on your physical health, relationships, and productivity. So the question is how to have a stress-free work-from-home life. Today, I'm going to give you some tips to make your work-from-home life easier. Here we go. Learn to prioritize. Prioritizing is the most important tool in not only managing your stress levels, but managing your whole life and life situations. It's a very important problem-solving skill. Now, what is prioritizing? It simply means what to do, why to do, when to do any task as per its importance and relevance. So when you are planning your day, you should ask yourself these three simple questions. What to do today, why to do that, and when to do that. Take a moment and plan your day. Decide a list of tasks in order of their importance and relevance. For example, priority number 1 may be your office work, then set a time for it. Depending upon the load of office work you have on a particular day, you can decide other priority tasks that can be done that day. Remember, the ultimate priority in life should always be peace of mind, and second ultimate priority is whatever takes you closer to it. And then you can always decide the tasks of the day based on these three simple questions: what to do, why to do, and when to do as per their importance and relevance in your life on a particular day. If you prioritize properly, work is finished in time, work doesn't pile up, and you get to do what you want to do during the rest of the time. And as a result, your peace of mind is not compromised and your quality of life improves. Create a small office space or corner in your home where you will only do office-related work and nothing else. Never develop a habit of doing your office work on your bed or in the kitchen or any other area meant for some other household activity, as it blurs the boundary between home and office work and distracts and can affect your productivity and gives a sense of all-pervasive office work which has consumed your home life. If you have a separate space or corner for office work, it helps in setting the mood for office work the moment you sit there, and it also helps in better organizing and helps in creating an environment for better focus, resulting in better productivity and timely finishing of tasks. In the end, you just have to get up from there and you can easily detach yourself from the office work and enjoy your family life in the rest of the time. Have a schedule. Have regular wake up and sleep time and work and day schedule even when you are working from home. It helps to keep things in order. Try to start your work from home in time and plan to finish it up in time so that rest of the time you can give to yourself or your family. Have realistic expectations from yourself. Don't try to be a super mom or super father or superman or woman just because you're working from home, as the only extra time you have probably got is the time you used to spend in commuting to work. Usually we end up planning and doing a lot of things simply because others are doing it. But you should always remember their work situation, life, handling of things are different from yours. So you have to set your expectations and plans as per your capability and your situation. I suggest planning additional demanding activities like making a dish which takes a lot of time to prepare on a day of lighter office work. Take regular small breaks and walk 5 minutes every hour. That way you will end up walking 1 hour in 12 hours without even going for a walk. Isn't it interesting and doable? As a bonus, this will keep you in better physical shape as well. Do some deep breathing exercises or pranayama for 10 to 15 minutes daily. It really helps to improve your mental and physical well-being, reduces stress, and improves your focus, resulting in better productivity at work. And last but not the least, take regular nutritious meals, drink plenty of water, and avoid substances like alcohol and smoking. If you follow these simple steps, you can have a fairly stress-free and joyful work-from-home life. Thank you so much.